Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2014 Ford Mustang GT Convertible Premium. Beautiful car, black on black with black wheels, chip Foose wheels by the way. Have a look at the back here, we'll start in the trunk. In a Mustang Convertible you can put in 2 large suitcases, 2 carry-ons and still close the trunk with the top down. And no worries about opening or closing the trunk. Have a look in the seams. Nice, clean, tidy car. We have not polished this car. We have not cleaned it up yet. This is just the way it came in, so we're just showing you, here it is, it's just landed. Nice dual exhaust at the back, the GT symbol on the trunk, XM satellite radio on the trunk. Here's your chip Foose wheels with new tires on it, looks fabulous. We'll paint the rotors and paint the calipers when we get it polished up. Have a look on the inside, it's got the leather seats, powered passenger seat as well as driver. On the in the back here you'll see there's tons of room to seat people. It's got the blue ambient lighting on right now. You can change it to whatever color you'd like in the settings. It's got the Shaker 500 sound system. Have a look in the door frames. It's pretty clean and tidy. In here are the books with the car, so we're all set there. Have a look around. Super clean, nice looking machine. Let me close this door and show you that it has the dual vision mirrors in it, so that you've got the built-in convex mirror. It's the 5-liter GT. There's your Foose front wheel, looking fabulous, no curb rash or anything. Under the hood is the 5-liter Coyote engine, 32 valve, and it produces 432 horsepower or 428 depending on who you read. It's got the cross strut tower, made it to a 6-speed automatic transmission. And it's got little, not paddle shifter, but a little shifter knob on the front. Have a look here, there's a couple little stone chips there. It's nothing major right there. We have not polished it yet. We'll polish it, we'll touch it up. It'll look better than it does right now. But that should give you a good idea when it comes in this nice of what we can do with it once it's polished and touched up. So, we'll close the hood. I see bug marks, but I don't see chip marks. It might be a chip there and maybe a chip there. But again, it's not polished, so when we polish this, it'll be stunning. Here's the other chip Foose wheel, looking fabulous, and the rear, awesome. On the driver's door, you've got power windows, power locks, power mirrors, all right there at your convenience, and then it's got the blue ambient lighting. The power seat, driver's seat with power lumbar, also there, and nice leather wrapped steering wheel. Let's climb in and we'll fire this one up. Nice. Great sounding exhaust. Super nice. 37,088 kilometers. It's got the track apps there, so we're good there. In the settings here, under My Color, you can go right here. You can change the gauge color, turn the lights on, of course. Now they're blue. We can change them to whatever we want. Gauge color, we can change them to orange or red or black, whatever your favorite color is. You can also change the halo color, and we can change that to red. I don't know, you can make whatever color you like, so you kind of get the idea there. Also the ambient light, which is on the sides here, so in the doors as you see there, we can change that color, say to red, and now you see there it is, red. And so will the Mustang now be red, okay? And in the cup holders will now be red, so you're all set there. The Shaker 500 sound system is pretty awesome, but this one has factory navigation. And with factory navigation, you also get dual zone climate control, so automatic air conditioning so that you can set it up yourself. And then in here is your Navi, so we'll go to map so you can see that. There's your map, and pretty awesome. Up here is the button for the power top, and I'll just show you the power top going up. It comes up pretty quickly. It's got a nice fully lined top. So you've got an insulated top on these with a cloth covering on the top, which is really nice. So when it comes up, all you have to do is you take these and you just close them like so. And take this, close it like so. Nothing to it, okay? And then we'll put the power windows up. They're automatic. And the back windows up. And there you go. Easy peasy. It's got a garage door opener up here, dual visor vanity mirrors with lights in them, steering wheel controls over here, cruise control over here, and fog lights. So we'll just turn those fog lights on, and yeah, we're all good. Have a look at the door frames as I'm getting out. So again, now we've changed that lighting. You can change it back to blue, whatever color suits you. So there it is from the front with the fog lights on. Good looking car. Love the wheels. The little bit of polished aluminum around the outside edge is a nice touch. You can see there's no scratches, dents, bruises, or anything there. On the back there was, there's a little, somebody's bumped into it with a car license plate. So we'll give it a little polish and touching up as we go, but that's nothing major. So you'll see it there. It sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Really nice rumble. And look at those wheels. That gives it a really great stance, doesn't it? Super looking car. So there it is all the way around. Good looking car. 2014 Mustang GT convertible, black on black, nice deep tinted windows, and the black Foose wheels, and factory navigation, mind you. So here it is available. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Hey, I'll look forward to seeing you real soon.